Vectors can also be visualized as a histograms, and to generate a histogram plot we can use the command hist, and then parentheses we can write the values and other commands. So in default, when we generate the histogram plot, by default there are 10 bars will be generated. So it means it will take the 10 values from the normal distribution. But we can change the default setting of 10 bars by using the argument break. So we can use the argument break and we can increase the number of bars that we can want to generate. So we can, bar means one value. So it means we can add the values upon our data by using the argument break. So here we can see very easily that we are going to generate a histogram plot with a value of x, and if it is written just x, it means by default it will generate only 10 histogram bars. So we can increase the value of the bars by using the argument breaks, and we have to identify how many bars we need for the plot. If we had written 40, it means the 40 bars will be generated. So for the first command, this type of histogram bar will be generated with 10 values. And for the second command, this type of histogram bar will be generated and it has a value of 40 bars. So it means 40 values will be added in this type of histogram. So we can also generate a box plot by using the command box plot, and then we can write the values within parentheses. So if we use the command box plot box, a single plot box will be generated. And if we use the command for the various data that is present in one directory, then this box plot command will be applicable to all of those data that is present in the directory and are used in the same session for the R program. So matrix, if we want to convert the matrix into the box plot, it will be matrix is plotted and it will be considered as a vector, and then a single box plot will be generated. So if we want to generate a histogram, we can write the program like this one, plotting a vector. Then we have to generate a box plot, and this is with default setting. And we know that in this default setting we have only 10 histogram plots that will be combined and one box plot will be generated. So if we want to generate a box plot for a data frame that with the different box plot, then we have to use the command like plotting a matrix, box plot, data. Then two types of box plots will be generated. For first one, this box plot will be generated with only one box plot. But if we give the range of the data, then one box plot will be generated for each data, but these box plotted will be represented within one figure. As we have seen, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 box plot, but they are present in one figure.